Dun, 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 dun. Hey, Mike. Hello there. What are you doing here? What's your plan about for Thanksgiving? Thanksgiving Thursday. Oh, really? Sure. Thanksgiving's on today. It's tonight. My dad cooks the Thanksgiving dinner. Oh, that's who you want it? Yeah, we are. I can't wait to see the balloons from his parade. Oh, yeah. I believe it's true. So, you know what this before. Why did you need it? Well, I do. Let's see. Let's see what's Thanksgiving feast. Great idea. Oh, you know what? It's time for Thanksgiving dinner. Alright. Here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Alright, everyone. So, we have a Thanksgiving food. So, ready? Oh, sure. Yes, we want. Yes. Alright then, so let's make Thanksgiving foods. Dun, 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 dun. Alright. The food feast is now served. Thanks for all the food feast. Well, thanks to you, our thankful for our lives. Thank you for living. For our thankful of your turkeys. We want to wish our thankful and have a safe trip calms. Alright, gang, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching and happy Thanksgiving. Dun, 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 dun.